buhay. This is Mr. CrimiKNOWlogy, Paul Janazores, para sa ating mga review sessions at mga lectures regarding criminology for the students, for the board takers, at sa mga nagre-refresh lang. For today's lesson, gusto kong ituro sa atin o pag-aralan natin yung Misfeasance, Malfeasance, and Nonfeasance. These are the things na laging kinakalito ng mga nag-aaral sa field natin, sapagkat mahalaga sila. Before I discuss that, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, ano ba ang common na lumalabas sa board exam? You keep this in your mind. Lalabas sa board exam yung mga bagay na dapat alam ng isang registered criminologist once nag-perform siya ng kanyang profession. Halimbawa, sige, marami tayong pwedeng pasukan na field, pero ilimit natin for a while sa tri-bureau kunwari. Halimbawa, once you are a police officer, ano ba yung mga dapat mong alam na hindi ma-endanger yung trabaho mo at ma-perform mo ng maayos yung trabaho mo bilang isang police officer? Same sa pagiging fire officer at sa pagiging jail officer. So halimbawa sa police, mahalaga dyan, syempre, di nawawala sa board exam yung mga warrantless arrest, yung oras na pwede mong i-detain ang isang suspect sapagkat may endanger ka. Yung arbitrary detention, illegal detention, so something like that. Yun ang idea na dapat mong malaman na i-review ng maayos. Why? You are aiming for registered criminologist title. Ibig sabihin, pag ikaw ay registered criminologist, ano ba yung ine-expect ng government na alam mo so that you are qualified to be a competent professional doon sa papasukan mong field. At isa dito ang Misfeasance, Malfeasance, and Nonfeasance. They are commonly coming out of the board examination. But before I will discuss that, atin mo na pag-usapan yung fundamentals nito. Kasi pag hindi mo naintindihan ito, yung foundations niya, you will not appreciate well kung ano yung content ng definition niya. Number one, let's talk about government first. Yung mga batas natin like Plunder Laws, 7080 na Republic Act at ibang mga batas, they define yung government which includes national government and local government. Kasama dyan yung mga government-owned and government-controlled corporations, whether na sila man ay mga instrumentalities and etc. na pagmamay-ari ng Republic of the Philippines. So that is the definition of government. Number two, the definition of public officer. You are a public officer once you are holding an elective or appointive position, whether you are permanent or temporary, or holding classified or unclassified job or work or designation, which you are receiving compensation from the government. Yun ang public officer. But under the Criminal Law Book 2, Title 7, nakasaad dyan yung mga crimes committed by public officers. Doon nagmula o doon nakalagay itong Malfeasance, Misfeasance, and Nonfeasance. At sa Article 203, nakalagay dito kung sino naman yung mga public officers. Public officers, you must have or you must derive your authority sa popular election or sa provisions ng law by popular election, or meron kang appointment na nagmula sa isang competent authority. You are a public officer. Now, pag public officer embraces din naman yung bawat public servants from lowest to highest rank. Pare-pareho lang yan. Parehas lang kategory na public officers. Now, pag sabi mong misfeasance, ibig sabihin nito, you are performing an act which might be properly performed. Ibig sabihin, meron ka namang legal act to do it, meron ka namang karapatang gawin ang bagay na ito, that is part of your job, pero mali ang pagkaka-perform mo. Ibig sabihin, yung performance mo ng legal duty mo, pwede mo namang gawing tama, pero mali ang performance mo. Kaya misfeasance. Ang keyword ko sa misfeasance, para di ko makalimutan, the word mintis. Tama naman ang ginagawa mo, pero mali ang pagkakagawa mo. Halimbawa, ilimit natin, general kasi ito hindi lang siya pang police, kundi pang kalahatan ng mga public officials or officers. Let's say sa police na lang. It is a legal duty of a police officer to arrest a perpetrator or a suspect. or yung offender. Nung kanyang hinuli, pwede niya niyang arrestuhin using reasonable force. Pero ang ginawa niya, excessive force. Gumamit siya ng dahas, sinaktan niya, tinorture niya. So, that is misfeasance. You are legally bound to do that, pero hindi mo siya ginawa properly. It can be properly be done. O, pangalawa, the word malfeasance. Malfeasance naman is you are doing an act which you should not be done. May ginawa kang isang bagay na hindi mo dapat ginawa. For the first place, mali talagang gawin. Anong mga halimbawa nito? Let's also use yung situation ng isang police. Bilang police officer, you are not allowed or you should not engage sa mga corruption. Halimbawa ay bribery or nag-engage ka sa mga criminal conduct. For the first place, hindi mo dapat gawin ito pero ginawa mo. Kaya mal. Ang keyword ko sa malfeasance, mali. Maling gawin mula pa nung umpisa pero ginawa mo. Again, misfeasance. You are doing a job na pwede mong gawin properly pero ginawa mo siya improperly. Malfeasance, hindi mo dapat gawin pero ginawa mo. None. Let's discuss the third one, which is the nonfeasance. Nonfeasance means omission of an act which ought to be done. The word non, omission means inaction. Meron kang legal duty na gawin mo ito pero hindi mo pinerform. So non-performance of legal duty. Halimbawa, meron kang designation, you have a position, tapos hindi mo ginawa yung trabaho. You did not perform yung in-expect ng government sa'yo. That is nonfeasance. Again, hope kahit paano nakatulong yung common na tanong sa atin na definition o kaibahan nila. They are coming out of the board exam, especially sa course na Police Ethics and Police Community Relations. Kasi doon nakasukat yung function ng isang police officer. At kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan o mga requested topic na nais ninyo i-discuss natin, you can comment down below, or sa topic na ito, kung may tanong ka, pwede mong itanong sa comment box para we can discuss mismo sa video na ito. At you can request another topic na pwedeng gawin namin ng video para mag-benefit yung mga nasa field ng criminology. Again, if you find this video beneficial, you can subscribe, like, at click the bell button para ma-update ka sa mga bagong videos natin. And you can share this para maraming makinabang. Thank you very much and God bless you all.